Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a dessert. A delightful treat that combines a crispy pastry crust with a luscious filling and fresh fruit. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as fruit tart, fruit tart, fruit tart, fruit tart. Fruit tarts are often enjoyed as a sophisticated dessert at gatherings like afternoon tea, brunches, and special celebrations. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about fruit tart, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.